Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Urban Hustles, the channel where you learn about apps that can help you make money, save money, as well as spend money at a discounted rate. I hope that you guys are really enjoying the channel. I'm glad that you guys have shown much support, and I hope that you guys definitely like this new app that I'm about to tell you about. Check it out.
Hey, what's going on, hustlers and hustlerettes? This is your boy Darius Garrett, aka Urban Hustles, and today I want to talk to you about the Zip app. Why do I want to talk to you about the Zip app? Because I found out some great information about this app. So I use this app a lot, and I usually use this app when I'm in a situation where I need to take care of purchases that I may not want to simply pay a large amount of money up front. It breaks your payments down. It breaks your payment down into smaller payments that'll allow you to be able to purchase the things that you need for today and be able to break it down to smaller payments so you can feasibly take care of that and leave some money in your pocket. So that's the way I see it. A lot of people may misuse this, but I don't. And the reason why is because I know I may want to use it later on. So I definitely take heed and, try to do right by this app. But the name of the app is the Zip app, and it used to be called Quad Pay. And so what they do is they break your payments down into smaller payments. And so what I want to share with you guys today, though, is that I figured out how me as an adamant gamer, I'd hate the fact that I have to pay $100 for a video game or $150 for a video game. I like to play 2K and Madden, and so with those games, you guys can check that out on my channel, Urban Prince Gaming. And on that, it's just that, I don't like having to pay all that money. So I figured out a way to be able to get $100 game for only $26, and you pay that $26 every 2 weeks. So I think $26 every 2 weeks for people that have jobs or even, hustle and do like Grubhub or DoorDash or Uber, it's a lot more easier to pay for it that way than to pay $100 up front. And let me show you how. So what you do is let's say you want to go on your game and buy VC, virtual currency, on NBA 2K, right? And so what I do is I go in and I get like the $100, the $100 package on 2K, right? And when I get the $100 package, I only have to pay $26 up front. And the way I do that is I go to where I'm going to make the purchase, and then let's say I go to PlayStation. So you have to go to the PlayStation part on here in order to create the card for your PlayStation that you're playing on, if that makes sense. So for instance, I'm trying to buy the VC. I go on to my video game and I tap the package that I want, and then it goes to the part where it asks for your credit card. So when you go to that part, you stop there on your television or on your PlayStation. You come here to Zip and you look up PlayStation. Boom, I looked up PlayStation, so we right here. Now, I'm not physically buying anything on here, but because the VC and the in-game currency is an online product, you have to purchase it through the PlayStation online part on Zip that's attached. So I've done that. I go pay with, and then I type in the amount that I need. So let's say $100, right? So I do $100. I tap continue. It asks for the card that it wants me to use. I'll change the card, and then it'll tell me my four bi-weekly payments will be $26.25, right? They give a $5 finance charge, which makes it $105, and I'll pay $26.25 every 2 weeks, bi-weekly for 4 weeks. So I go agree to content. It goes finance charge. It takes you through all of that. You go agree and continue. Boom. It gives you a card number as well as the expiration date and a CVC number. You take that card number, that expiration date, and that CVC number, and you put it in the card information for the PlayStation. Okay? When you do that on your PlayStation, you add that as a card on your PlayStation and make your purchase. And voila. It says thank you, and your purchase goes through, and you now have the video game that you want for only $26 and something every 2 weeks to pay it off like that instead of having to pay $100 up front. So I hope that you guys were able to understand that. It's very simple to do. I actually included a referral code if they offer a referral code for Zip, and you can take advantage of this today. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this card number so you guys know that you can't use it because it's been canceled. And so I wanted to say thank you guys so much for being supportive. I hope you guys find this helpful. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to both the gaming channel Urban Prince Gaming as well as Urban Hustles and my life channel for inspiration. I am Darius on YouTube as well. I hope you guys be able to take this and be able to use it wisely and be able to succeed. All right.
Hey, what's going on? This your boy Darius, aka Urban Hustles. I'm glad that you guys were able to join me today. Continue to tell your friends to subscribe, and I'm going to continue bringing the best content I can for y'all. And yo, while you at it, won't you check out this video or this video and probably even like and subscribe, okay? God bless y'all, man. Thank you so much for checking us out here on Urban Hustles.